Is there research on exercise-based scoliosis care? Oh my God, yes, and tons of it. You could see it yourself. Did you know that Google has another website called Google Scholar? Well, go on to Google Scholar and type in scoliosis exercise as keywords, and you will be overwhelmed with the amount of research that's been done on this. And it's done primarily in Europe. We see it coming out of Italy. We see it coming out of Germany. We see it coming out of France. We see it coming out of Spain. We see in Asia, a lot of research is being done in Japan, in Korea, and in China. We see in America, a lot of research is done, and also in Western Canada, a lot of research is done. But yes, overwhelming amount of research has been done, and it categorically shows that exercise treatment for scoliosis, as long as it's done in a specific way, and as long as it's done in a way that's customized to the person, gets excellent results. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.